Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful autumn inspired vampy look featuring my favorite products of the season. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So first I'm going to dip into my Switch Beauty Matte Edition palette. This is just a neutral kind of brown just to warm up my transition area. Next, I'm going to be dipping into a darker brown. It's more of a reddish kind of brown. So yeah, I'm going to be putting that on my crease. With a detail brush, I'm going to be taking the darkest browns in the palette and just getting that as close to my crease line as possible, just to kind of map out where I'm going to be cutting my crease. So now I'll be taking my Alegal Pro Conceal. This is in the color Cool Tan, and I'm going to be cutting my crease. So once that is done, I'm going to be taking this light neutral brown and putting that all over my lid. And then blend, 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 blend for the gods, honey. Blend, honey, blend to make sure that your cut crease is seamless. So I've already did my eyelashes and my liner, and now I'm jumping into my foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 350. You already know what it is. This is literally my favorite foundation right now. It works so well. Taking my Cool Tan from Alegal again, and this is just to conceal under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead and my chin. Yeah. then once that is applied, we're just gonna blend that in. To set under my eyes, I'm going to be jumping into my favorite translucent powder. This is from Yardley and it's their translucent powder. It's actually on special at Discam if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we're just going to put that all over the places that we put concealer just to set that. And then I'm just going to use my BYS contour palette. I got this on Takealot, but honestly I only like one color on it and the rest don't really work for me. They're a bit too gray and cool toned for what I'm actually trying to do, so we'll see. I'm going to be taking that same translucent powder and then just carving out my cheekbones with that, just to make sure that my cheekbones pop and they are snatched. Okay, I'm taking an orange from the Switch Beauty palette and I'm putting that on my lower lash line. That is done, I'm just going to be buffing away that translucent powder on my cheekbones and setting my face with this dewy setting spray from NYX. Look at me ratchet, fanning myself with my broken lid from Switch Beauty. Now I'm taking my favorite highlighter. Oh my god, look at that highlighter. Are you joking? Bitch, you better notice me. I'm highlighted for the gourds, honey, for the gourds. So now I'm going to be taking this liquid lip from Avon. This is in the color Passionate. And I'm just going to be using that all over my lips. I just love the application of this liquid lipstick. It's a very comfortable matte lipstick. It's not super drying. Like your lips feel moisturized while you have it on. Now I'm just taking my mascara. This is the wonderful mascara from Rimmel London. I'm putting that all over my bottom lash line. And then we're done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this look. Comment down below if you loved it and let me know what you want to see next. But that's it from me. I'll see you guys when I see you next week. Bye.